Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Rafika Intan Nurholifah. I'm from class 12 Science 2. This time, I will present the material about explanation task under topic the human digestive system. Table of content. 1. Definition of explanation task. 2. Generic structure of explanation task. 3. Purpose of explanation task. 4. Language features of explanation task. 5. The explanation task of human digestive system. And the last 6. Unfamiliar vocabulary. Next. Definition of explanation task. Explanation is a task which tells process relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. Explanation task is to say why and how of the forming of the phenomena. It is often found in science, geography, and history textbooks. Next, generic structure of explanation text, divided into three. 1. General statement. General statement stating the phenomenon issues which are to be explained. 2. Sequence of explanation. Sequence explanation stating a series of steps which explain the phenomena. And 3. Causing. The causing part is optional or not must be in this text. This section might contain additional information or the author's opinion on the topic covered. Next, purpose of explanation text, divided into two. 1. Explanation is a text which tells process relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. 2. To explain how or why something happens. According to Mark Anderson and Kathy Anderson, says that the explanation text type is often used to tell how and why phenomena occur in nature. Next, language features of explanation text. In an explanation text, there are linguistic features as below. Using simple present tense, using abstract noun or no visible noun, using passive voice, using action verbs, containing explanation of the process, and the last using technical terms. This is explanation text. The title is the human digestive system. Human body is made up of countless millions of cells. Food is needed to build up new cells and replace the worn out cells. However, the food that we take must be changed into substance that can be carried in the blood to the place where they are needed. This process is called digestion. The first digestive process takes place in the mouth. The food we eat is broken up into small pieces by the action of teeth mixed with saliva, a juice created by glands in the mouth. Saliva contains digestive juice which moisten the food so it can be swallowed easily. From the mouth, food passes through the esophagus or the food passage into the stomach. Here the food is mixed with the juice created by the cells in the stomach for several hours. Then the food enters the small intestine. All the time, the muscular walls of the intestine are squeezing, mixing, and moving the food onwards. Later, after a few hours, the food changes into acid. These are soon absorbed by the villi or microscopic branch projection from the intestine walls and pass into the bloodstream. The digested food moves to the large intestines. The water is absorbed through the walls of the large intestines and excretes the poop. After that, the large intestine pushes the poop into the rectum, the very last stop on the digestive tract. The solid waste stays here until we are ready to go to the bathroom. Finally, when we go to the bathroom, we are getting rid of this solid waste by pushing it through the anus. The digestive system is a pretty important part of our body. Without it, we can't get the nutrients we need to grow properly and stay healthy. Next, the last is unfamiliar vocabulary. Countless is tak terhitung, substances is zat, blood is darah, mouth is mulut, bicis is bagian-bagian, saliva is air liur, secrete is disekrasikan, cleanse is kelenjar, moisten is melembabkan, swallowed is tertelan, intestine is usus, muscular is berotot, squeezing is tindihan, solid is padat, and the last was is limbah. Closest meaning. Closest meaning is untold. Blood closest meaning is cloud. Mouth closest meaning is jaws. Peaches closest meaning is fragments. Saliva closest meaning is spit and slobber. Moisten closest meaning is humidify and damp. Intestine closest meaning is bowel and gut. Muscular closest meaning is brawny. Squeezing closest meaning is operation. Solid closest meaning is dense. And the last was closest meaning is chispool and chispit. That's all I can say. Hopefully useful. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.